Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Slime Boss here, and welcome back to the Crazy Cap Studios. Today, I am joined back with my co-host SRJ, and we're back with our
Hey.
Super Mario Brothers adventure. Okay, so I forgot how we're doing this. I don't remember. I think I'm gonna just beat the entire world first, and then you're gonna follow behind me or something.
Likely.
There you
Remember this game?
Hmm?
This having an issue for some reason.
This game was having issues?
Like the buttons, I didn't like them for some reason.
Just remember that X is run and A is jump.
Okay.
See, I want to test something real quick.
Now it should be my turn.
I'm testing something. Okay, you're in 4-1. Okay, that's all I wanted to test. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do. It's been a minute since we last recorded, so... So I just go ahead and beat the world, and then you beat the world yourself. So it's like, fortunately, Mario 3 fixed this issue. Me and Pug finished our playthrough. Basically, it's like, oh, we're going on an adventure together, and so whenever I beat a level, he
Also beat in the level.
yeah. So it's more like the newer games, but you take turns instead of playing the levels together. So I beat a level, and then that level, because it's the overworld, right? So the level gets beaten, and then, you know, it's now his turn, and then he plays level 2, and so you're just kind of going through the game together. However, unfortunately, it's a little annoying. If you get a game over, you lose all the progress, because it kind of keeps track of like which levels you completed specifically. So like Mario completed this level, Luigi completed that level. So if you get a game over, you now have to go back and recomplete the levels that you beat. So it's a little annoying in that sense, but it's a lot better than Mario 1.
That's nice.
Where it's like we're basically both playing our own games, and it's kind of hard to do that for a series. So
Huh. Oh, how charming.
oops.
Hey.
Anyway, my commentary is kind of stale. You got me?
Yeah. But I feel a lot better than mine.
I was saying you got me as in like you got some commentary. Got some issues you want to talk about, like this is a podcast other than political ones that happen. Do you know who Emio is?
Emio? No.
Never mind. Alright, well we're already on World 4-4.
So Dark Souls is kind of rough.
Oh, you're still recording that series, huh?
Yeah, it's kind of slow going. Because, well, with the move and, just... And both the move and me finally finding a regular job. I'm kinda... haven't been in a good mind space to play something like Dark Souls.
Yeah, it's kind of rage-inducing, so...
Not to mention, it's... You see, with the, the nice thing about Elden Ring is, it still does it, but... See, Elden Ring still gives you some semblance of guidance on where you're supposed to go, the guidance of grace.
Right. Well,
You don't have that in Dark Souls.
Elden Ring is open world though, and isn't that different from Dark Souls? Like Dark Souls is more linear.
It may as well be open world, but there's like a million branching paths that all lead to separate places. Like, from where I currently am, I could literally just... There are 3 possible locations I could go to, and I have no idea whether or not any of them lead to the end of the game.
Right. Alright.
It's very frustrating.
It is now your turn.
Joy.
Enjoy World 4.
Can I jump on Lucky too?
No.
Oh, that's stupid.
This is one of those levels where if you just pretend it's a Sonic game and just run, don't even worry about question blocks, just go. Lucky 2 will never hit you.
Noted.
I memorized this level because this is like one of the levels that you have to play for speedrunning, so it's one of those levels where it's just like, oh yeah, I know this level. Even if I don't actually speedrun this game, it's a level that you see just all the time because of speedrunner.
Mm-hmm.
If you don't know, the pattern is 1-1, 1-2, 4-1, 4-2, and then 8-1, 2-3-4. So
That sounds nice. Anyway. Back to what I was saying about Dark Souls. Like, that's the thing with Dark Souls. Like, yeah, Elden Ring is like, no, little designed to be an open world, but Dark Souls is pretty much open as well, in the same vein that you can basically go wherever you want with no real force making you do things. Like, if you want to go left, there's nothing stopping you from going left. If you want to go right, take a right, there's nothing stopping you from going right. If you want to stay freaking go down a dark corridor, there is literally nothing stopping you from going down that dark corridor. Makes it very easy to get lost in the game, and Dark Souls isn't really a game it's really designed for you to get lost in.
yeah.
What with annoying platforming, more annoying than this, I mean. And very increasingly more difficult enemies.
You're about to die.
Fuck. Yes, I am.
You good? All you gotta do is lock in. Every Mario game's the same.
Mm-hmm. Anyway. So yeah, well, there's a lot of cool stuff you can find. It's very annoying because you can easily get lost and spend hours and hours and hours doing one thing and make literally zero progress in the game.
Sounds like Breath of the Wild.
Yeah. It kinda is, ain't it? Except I imagine Breath of the Wild is a tad more forgiving. actually a little more like Tears of the Kingdom, actually. But with the... I'm gonna get that freaking timing down. Yes, I am.
Mario 1's too primitive for our Gen Z brains.
Wait, am I from Gen Z? I legitimately have no idea.
Yeah, we're the same age. Actually, you're a year older than me.
This guy actually come gunning after me? Anyway, as I was saying, like, if I can memorize the freaking attack patterns of a freaking boss in any Soulsborne game, I think I can do this. Case in point, ta-da! I got the mushroom.
Well,
Ooh, yeah.
If you touch a pipe, the plant doesn't come out, right?
Notably. You just went for it.
That's what I'm saying. Like, you've been playing Dark Souls. How is this hard for you?
Dark Souls does not have a lot of platforming. This is entirely platforming.
Yeah, but like Dark Souls
And
is like and Elden Ring is like the hardest thing in gaming, and then
It's not. It's.
This is very basic compared to it.
Yeah, and just like Dark Souls, it's a matter of practice. I don't regularly play freaking... Okay, does it just zap away all your... Okay. Momentum in the air?
Wait. Or not.
Okay, I just want to test it.
You can't go backwards.
Okay. Easter egg glitch. Apparently you can just walk through piranha plants if you go fast enough.
No, it's the very top pixel of piranha plants they don't hurt you. Again, same with the original, or the 4-1 that I just mentioned. When speedrunners go through it, because they're running at their top speed, they hit their peak jump. They hit their peak jump, which goes literally right over the piranha plant, and it clips the top of it, and you're still fine.
Kind of fascinating. Fun fact about the what's it. What was I talking about? Yeah, it all comes down to practice. Like, I don't regularly play platforms. Like,
you talked about all the time in the early days of the podcast that I'm just bad at video games, and that was your excuse for a lot of like your childhood memories and stuff. Oh, you're about to go to the warp zone.
Yeah, you might have to reset the area.
Your joke, or your not really a joke, but your reoccurring bit was you were bad at video games. If all it took was practice, then I would be a god at Mario games because I play them every day, and yet I'm still shit.
And I'm the one who's beaten multiple dark. Okay, that is shut.
Did you know that I played Tears of the Kingdom, the only Breath of the Wild game that I've played, and frankly one of only 3 Zelda games that I've ever beat? But, point being, I didn't beat one singular, what are they called? Lionel. I played through that whole game, Tears of the Kingdom, without fighting one Lionel. That shows you, I beat the game, but that should tell you how bad I am.
If you can beat the game, I think you can also beat a Lionel. Like, it's not that much more difficult. Okay, now I'm curious, but I also don't care. Wait. Anyway, that's my thing with practice, and that was just a bit, and it stopped being funny. Oh, for fucking hell! Wow! Guess I have done. In these older games, they're not bugs, they're features that make it more difficult. Case in point, you can't jump places, yet you can also phase through the tops of piranha plants. Yeah, that wasn't gonna happen anyway. Although you notice how I'm no longer getting angry.
Because we're distracting ourselves. That's also the reason why you're losing, is because we're distracting ourselves with a conversation about Dark Souls. It is simultaneously the reason why you aren't getting angry at the game, and also why you're failing. All you gotta do is lock in. Wait, stop.
What?
Or not. I think there's a power up in the 2 blocks that, like, look, so jump over like you normally would. Oh. No. Under there. The 2 blocks there. There you go.
So now I'm really concerned.
And now you can get a power. Now you can get a fire flower, and it won't move.
Well, look at that. We learned something today. Please don't. Oh, okay. Guess I'm kinda driving you crazy, aren't I?
A little bit, but make sure you don't go up there on the end.
Yeah, I'll just jump here, then drop down.
Everyone's like, stop gatekeeping him, let him play how he wants to play.
Nah, I don't think.
We're playing for 100%, which means that well, in this game, there's not really 100%, it's just play all the levels, experience the game. What the hell?
Quick friggin' question, I have no idea.
That is not right. That is not okay. There should not be two platforms like that. You broke the game. Congratulations.
Wait, what am I doing? And there we go.
Everyone
made it. Okay, do those give you, 1-ups? Like the top of the flagpole?
No.
And look at that, I did it with...
That's what you just unlocked your inner Ultra Instinct.
Did I? Sure I did.
Fine, you want me to play a different victory song?
Not a victory song, that's a party song. So this... Interesting.
I mean,
You're thinking this...
I don't really have anything else. I guess I got Villager. You probably barely heard that.
No, I heard it. Very nice.
Oh!
Fuck. Fuck. Did you jump through?
Wait, so jump to the other platform, let it go? No, like jump up there, jump on that thing, and then let it drop. Oh, a little more. There you go. I don't know if it'll respawn, but you can now you can jump to the far platform. There you go.
Big brain. Backseat game. Remember that?
Yeah, little brother. Oh my god! a little jump scare there.
I was more thinking of a different channel, but yeah,
Oh,
sure.
is
Let's
that
go
a
with
channel? I didn't know that.
Oh no, it's a thing that a different channel used to do. If you know, you know.
Real quick.
And treat yourself to a cookie.
Real quick, I need to pause. I will be right back. 2 seconds, okay? Order coming from my contact solution. Go ahead.
What? Oh, I wasn't saying nothing.
I wasn't recording.
Except
So. Do you remember the way? Oh, fail. This is one of the levels where you gotta find the right path, and you're definitely not on the right path right now.
How'd they even program this shit?
I don't know. They were wizard back then.
Bottom?
Sure, let's find out. I don't know if you were paying attention while I was playing or not, so...
I was paying attention to the very end.
Just don't die. Or die.
Fuck it.
Oh!
Invincibility frames for the W.
Alrighty, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this episode.
That
if you enjoyed,
was World 4.
Yep.
And we'll see you in the next round.